Familiarize yourself with the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.